Loving thing for us now. Wagwan guys.
Welcome back to another video.
I am
Poppy and I am
Taya, and today we have a fun video for you guys.
Yes.
Fun video. If you're new to the channel
please
and
subscribe.
if you're subscribed already,
Big up on yourself.
guys, I don't even know what that video is about. Just me but I enjoy the shot. What that video about, honey?
Well guys, me already know the story, so I'm quite sure you guys want to know what go on. So Poppy I got tell we why is it he slept at another woman's house while we were engaged.
Is that what you're talking about?
So what we are talking about, your try start. I mean, know the people them well want to hear
No.
this one, this saucy, this spicy.
Sure, no. Yo guys, really? So story time?
Story time, story time, story time, story time. Yes.
Guys, we never even want to remember this.
Now make sure I put my legs over here, come in. Want to get comfortable.
Jano. Alright, so guys, back in the day, we used to work at an airline, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You can tell them which airline or not?
No, no matter.
Alright, man used to work at American Airlines back in the day in Jamaica, you see me I say? So me and Lawyer, me and Taya got together now and you know the thing when you travel upon
Stand by.
yeah, when you travel with the airlines, you travel standby. Sometimes it's easier to get on than others. Sometimes it's peak season and the flight them hard to get on, so and then you get bumped off of the flight. Them a bag of things going, you know what I mean? So yo, one day we're supposed to make a flight, right? Like we used to see each other a week out of every month. That's how we set the thing. But as I said, some month a peak season, some month a off season, and sometimes I get on easy, sometimes I get bumped off, sometimes I have to take a flight to go here, so a flight go here, so connect with this flight, you know, all over the place, just to make it happen, right? Then you know, so guys, all set now for board the flight, and yo, peak season, so.
The time I'm there ready up and on can't wait for Poppy come home, you know. Man, what?
Trust me, so
You know, cook and everything.
the Kingston and beer things, and you know, get the flight now, so get the flight. Flight pack. In fact, I try to get the midday flight and it was too full. I couldn't get on, so I stick around until the afternoon flight, and then it was too full same way, so I couldn't make the flight. So and I say the thing gets sticky, but you don't know when you want to reach somewhere, man have to reach somewhere. So come to now and run go over here Jamaica. And we have like what they call like a code share where we can get on their flight if there's seat available, and we still pay a fee or some taxes, but it's not so crazy like me buy a full ticket, you know what I mean? So jump over here Jamaica and we'll talk to one of the agents over there, you know, we're cool, you know, the whole we are airline agent. So we tell her, say, yo, she say our flight look good, man, you know what I mean? But here Jamaica I go Fort Lauderdale. Yo, we don't know nobody at Fort Lauderdale. So she said, here Jamaica going Fort Lauderdale, so I'm going to go in at Fort Lauderdale and pick up a flight from Fort Lauderdale into Texas. And I said, yo, that can go on in the star, but yo, I don't know nobody at Fort Lauderdale. Then I know, say, yo, a little bit, you know, from back in the day, man used to talk, you know. Not intimate, we never get intimate, I just like, you know, get to know, you know, it fade out before it even, you see me, before it even played out, it fade out, you know what I mean?
I like that.
So, yeah, still have the girl down by my phone. So I'm saying, you know what? Give that girl a call and see if she can come pick me up from the airport. I never go Fort Lauderdale later. I was always flying into Miami. Never go Fort Lauderdale. See if she can pick me up at the airport, and after that move figure it out. You know what I mean? Guys, call the girl, and the girl was so excited to see Poppy star. The girl I say, yo. The girl I say, what? Yeah man, I come get you, but I never tell her, I come to Fort Lauderdale to go somewhere. So I don't know, we can't disclose the whole of the thing. We just need somebody.
See that, guys? Because anyway, they tell her that she wanna put him up in
yeah, I only get a put up, but I get a put out.
That was
Yo, I wouldn't get put up, guys, but I get a put out. So I'm gonna tell her. I'm not gonna tell her that. So call the girl, make the arrangement, and the girl I say, yo, yeah man. She forward for me at the airport and beer things, you know what I mean? So I call back honey and I say, yo, honey, I come to Fort Lauderdale now, but I know what the flight them look. Chances are at the next morning before I reach into Dallas. And I think I was only spending 3 days.
Yeah, it was a quick visit.
Yeah, I think I was only spending 3 days. So this one day now in a Fort Lauderdale, I got eat away from the trip.
Yeah, just a kill me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but man tell you say, don't know man charge of 1 month now, me no say honey, it's the best. So me I say, yo, hook or cook. I could have same day me I come back, me I reach.
It was
So-
about 1 month.
Now every month, right?
No, you came up the week before. Remember, I came to Jamaica, and then you were supposed to come up the following week.
Oh, okay. Something like that going, right? So anyways, call the girl, boom. Girl say, yo, she forward. Call Latoya, tell Latoya, say, yo, yeah, me I forward in a Fort Lauderdale. And, you know, I'll see her, I'll see if I can get on the flight. So guys, you don't know, so I'm reaching a Fort Lauderdale, right? Phone battery is dead. You see me I say? Phone battery dead on E. My girl come pick me up, the girl at Fort Lauderdale come pick up me. In a robe, guys.
Can y'all believe that? Man, they're so fast, it ain't even funny.
So me I say, robe? What go on with a robe like, you know what I mean? I don't know what go on under the robe here things. So me I say, yo, John, no, struggle real from Poppy, guys. You see me I say? You don't know, when I violate the thing, we I hold the own, I play the card. You know what I mean? So, jump in the car with the girl and girl I drive home. So she girl I say, yo, you know how was the flight? I'm back a little chit chat thing. But me I say, boy, I don't want to really get too friendly. You see me I say, because me I look upon it and me I say, yo, because the thing I get drastic in the night here, I don't know what go on right now, you see me? So the girl I say, yo, a long time she wait for a day like this. She well want to see me.
The time the poor little fiance there, I did and I said, damn, you know,
go
I
out
was
with
so
her,
upset, guys. I was so mad.
But why you upset and you don't know what going on yet?
No, because I mean, you've been telling me, say, the flight, them, you know, you have to go to Air
Oh,
Jamaica,
yeah, okay,
whatever.
okay.
So I don't know if he's gonna eventually
Definitely.
make it or not. So
Yeah.
remember, they are stressed out and thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. So here we go on now. Remember, say the phone that did in there, guys. The girl that put beer talk to me. Beer talk, you know what I mean? Girl, so from she tell me, she said she will carry me for dinner. One back I think I say my girl, I don't really depend on the dinner thing, you know, I just try to get a flight. You know what I mean? I stop over on one back I think. And she said, no, man, take a load off, you know what I mean? You know, chill for a little bit, whatever. She'll take me back in the morning for airport and beer thing. So I think we went to have dinner too. We did went to the restaurant to have dinner.
You did?
Yeah.
You never told me that part then.
For real?
You never told me say you go dinner.
Yeah. But in the process, here we go on, guys, before they eventually died. So I never really have no
Story time.
I never really have no way to communicate that to tell you say, yo, this is what go on and whatever. So she call my phone now and can't get through. You understand? Can't get through the anger build up now, you know, guys. It's like me I sweat out backside because me I say, yo, me there with that girl, yeah. She can't get through to me. I know say she probably a try call, right? A girl yeah give me beer chattings and me don't know what to do. Me can't entertain what she say. And all of a sudden now that girl kind of pick up say, me I move off, you know what I mean? Me not really take her to her advances, you know what I mean? Me I say, Bill, you know what I mean? I just give her some slight hints because me don't want she put me up, I say, I don't know no way. I don't want she said to me, say, yo, she left me there or nothing, so I still have to play my cards, you know what I mean? So anyways, we eat the food and reach her yard. So you know, say, yo, reach at the girl yard, right till she carry on, me carry them time, they don't know where I try to stand by, so we don't know the whole heap of luggage and whatever, yeah, see me I say? My girl take up my bag and carry it upstairs, guys.
No, so what?
Upstairs.
Surprise, she didn't lift you up too.
Upstairs, the girl take up my bag. That time, I don't take seat on sofa a long time. You see me I say? But one thing though, if I see how she go on, I make sure I take out my passport. I have my passport in my pocket and I say, no, this is not. She can't take the whole like clothes. You understand me? I say,
You start creating different.
me I say, guys, if I run, me have to run left back money tonight. It's not gonna happen. You understand where I come from? So anyways, I have my passport on my pocket. My girl take up my suitcase and gone upstairs. You see me? I say, I'm not going to take a fresh. And I say, yo, you know, the first thing, you know, my girl. Can't believe you haven't told people this. So I say, yo, my girl, I'm not deaf on the first thing, you know. You see me? I say, she say, you sure? I say, yeah, man, I'm sure, man. You see me? So I didn't know on the dead phone, I go and I play on the phone. I don't go up on the phone, but I entertain a conversation, you know. I will want to beg the girl like I have to call Taya, but I say, yo, I'm going to do that. She can have Taya phone number, so I have to stick it out because, guys, a long night. Because remember, I said she over there cussing, I know that she a cussing.
I was
You understand?
mad.
Because she must have said whatever the circumstance.
But because I don't know what's going on. I don't know what
Exactly.
happened to you. You know what I mean? So I think I'm going to call mommy. I may ask her if she hear from you and she just said no, she not hear from you or whatever. Yo,
nobody can hear from me, guys. You understand me? I say the foot that plane that could have missing for all them know. You understand me? I say. So I understand it was very nervy, but I can't use the girl phone to call her because suppose the girl gonna get the number there. You understand me? I say a problem. You understand? So I have to stick it out. I tell us, guys, that the longest night in my life. So you are going on, the girl come downstairs now. She realized I'm really up on that. Sit down on the sofa. She come downstairs, on the sofa beside me in the rope thing. So she say, yo, you know, I make you feel like she not wanted, you know, like I'm not attracted to her, you know what I mean? And I say, yo, that's not the case, man, you know. I just there for a stopover and I just want it to be a stopover. I don't really want to start. Right now, the girl just said to me, say, oh, me I got Texas go link, you see me? Guys, you know, say, yes, so me I get short, you know, you see me? I say, yo, Poppy, think fast. I say, yo, I told my virgin them that Texas, man, you see me? I say, so she say, yo, you know what I call them? But them know, so I hear say there. And whatever. So me I say, no, you know, so I don't want to call them. I tell them, so I spend the night still. Guys, I don't know what me I tell this again, I say. You understand me I say? Anyways, she get the feeling, say, yo, I'm really a player. You know what I mean? I don't really want to involve with her. So she put 2 and 2 together. I don't know them say woman intuitions. She put 2 and 2 together, say a woman that takes her. So my girl now start cussing and I say, yo, you know, I'm not a good man. You see me I say, and I know I have my woman and my dad woman. Yeah, and I say, why you jump to the conclusion? And you see me I say, guys, the thing I get heated, the thing I get drastic. The flight was at like 5:45 in the morning. My girl came to the airport from 4 o'clock. And from the time I reach our yard, at about 9 o'clock I land, reach our house about 10:30, because we went to have dinner or whatever. You see me I say? The woman cussed me from about say 11:30, 12 o'clock till about 4 o'clock when she couldn't cuss me no more. She said, yo, you know what? She not gonna do my bad, she not gonna just tell me to find my way or whatever, she'll carry me back to the airport. You see me I say? Guys, I'm in the back seat of the car, I sit down. And I never me want to do that either, and she tell me say when I back seat, I sit down. Guys, I have to work with it. Yo, I have to work with it.
But honey, before you go any further though, seriously, why you felt the need to go spend the night at someone's? What was your brethren or whoever? Why couldn't you have just stayed at the hotel? Because I mean, stayed at the airport, sleep at the airport. I've slept on the floor.
Yeah, I understand, but but the thing about it is that
what possessed you to do that?
I'm not possessed.
We were engaged. Yeah. This was a bit tricky. Like, why would you have done that?
True, guys, wouldn't do it again. You ain't get me, because I never knew it get so drastic. Because as I say, that girl, I knew her for a while. We kind of used to talk all the time on the phone. You know, I've seen her once. And it was like just at a social event, you know, I never really know her. That was long before even Taya. And I just know that a girl there, them there in Florida, I have her number, see when I'm contact her, I say, I don't know nobody else. So give her one link, you know, she probably does say, oh, my friend, Ray, yeah, you can spend the night.
I know, she has strongly still. Okay, you shouldn't have went there in the first place.
Yeah, as I said, wouldn't do it again. But guys, I'm not done this, so here I go on. Reach at the airport now, the flight at 5:45, so she leave out 4 o'clock. You don't know that, alright, because we can check into the flight. The flight was empty and everything, so I got my boarding pass beforehand. You know, I never forgot the gate and stuff, go wait for the boarding pass. So yo, I was on my phone dead same way, you know. Sit down in the plane now, boom, reach at Texas. I reach at Texas now, but still can't call Taya, so she not even know, say, me and land, sorry. So me and land in the morning, she don't know flight number, she don't know flight time, nothing at all. So I actually have to wait until I reach in Texas, sorry about that. Wait until I reach in Texas to call her. We live about 30 minutes from the airport, so then I have to wait. Yo guys, because that situation was too much. I don't be from all long. Thank God I bite my lip and take a little food of the woman. Should I carry go give me a card, I tell her I'm not dead. So anyways, I reach at Texas now, so I ask, you know, I work with airlines, so I ask a fellow American Airlines employee at this airport. So yo, listen, can I make a call to call my fiance because, you know, I'm stranded and stuff? And him say, yeah, sure. I call her. My girl, I give me crazy attitude, guys. You see me? She not even glad say, yo, I'm touchdown safe and, you know what I mean? She see me, yo, crazy attitude. I driving in the car, she gonna beat me, I driving in the car. Silent treatment, guys. You see me, I say? So I say, yo, you don't know, man, I be honest, 100. So, I'm sure the whole vibe, I tell her, say, yo, listen, phone battery dead. Because you don't make them make up nothing because at the end of the day, I have somebody with me, I'm a friend, so I could use him phone and call her. You know what I mean? If I tell us I stay at the airport, why I could ask American Airlines agent to make a call or something, you know what I mean? So I say, yo, man, I keep it 100, boom. Tell her the story, guys. She don't believe nothing. beer
I
argument.
believe a thing, but it's too mad. I said, what? You can't tell me nothing. You got a woman yet? How can you not sleep with her or whatever? Like, you know what I mean? Come on, that don't make no sense. But say, fool, let's have a fuck. But say, listen, man, you better go on where you go. I said, this done it over me, and nothing more with you. Man, I go with a bag of things, man. I like.
Trust me, I should not even know say the girl of Florida will want me fly back over there. You see me as it? But enough of that. Come to the house over there at the car and reach home, crazy silent treatment. So guys, let me tell you something. God is good, you know what I mean? Do the right thing, just do the right thing. So I don't know if I come to no one, when I there home, I reach it at the house, you know what I mean? Silent treatment and beer things. So Taya upstairs, and I say, you know what, I just stay downstairs because I avoid the whole confrontation, the whole argument and all these things. So I went downstairs, turned on the computer. At the time, would I use like MSN Messenger and stuff. Turn on the computer, MSN Messenger automatically signed me in. So when it signed me in, you know, so the girl they're online. The girl online on MSN Messenger. And the girl, she started cuss me again. She just see me pop up and she just say, yo, I treated her like a monster. You know, she's never had a man come to her house and treated her like a stranger. She felt like I scorned her. Guys, I don't even care what she said. I just run, go upstairs quick and fast. And call Taya. I say, yo, she say, yo, what? Wait. I say, yo, forward the man.
I never want to go nowhere and I say, babe, just come now, please. Just come and I want to show you something. Let me just kind of log up my face and go downstairs.
Girl, that cuss me off. I tell me I'm not touch her all night. Guys, God is amazing. You know what I mean? We do the right thing. Girl, I say, yo, I'm not touch her. I'm make you feel like an absolute stranger. I make you feel like she's unattractive. And one bag of things she has, I say, yeah, man, go on right. You see me, I say? I say, yo, you get your answer now where you look for. Guys, maybe if that never go on, we probably wouldn't even marry right now.
True, man.
You understand what I say? Straight. So the moral of the story is, do the right thing. Even when it feel bad, do the right thing. Because remember say, you know, God said, him have on you know. You understand? God never tell me say, you do the right thing and when the time come, for the right thing really pay off. You don't get exposed and, you know what I mean, you start fall on the face and all these things.
So what if it was the other way around? Like I stayed at a guy's house and whatever. Like would you have believed me even if the message, even if
yeah man, after the message come in because I remember saying
that maybe what if I set up because that happened in a weird they were saying, no, I don't want to get in trouble, you know, so just kinda cover for me, just kinda, you know, say or whatever.
Well, I mean it could have been a setup, yes. But nobody did. The setup can't keep.
Even though I thought that maybe it could have been a setup at the time, but I felt like there was something inside of me that was telling me that, you know what,
I got it.
This is the man for you. Like, you know, you can't find a man more real than this guy right here. You know what I mean? There was something because usually, you know, my instinct would tell me, you know, say, yo, you know, go some whatever. But for some reason, I believed you, and I felt like, you know what? You to look like, you know, he's trustworthy and loyal.
But I mean, we've been together for a while, so my actions up to that point really, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I never go on like a player vibes and, you know what I mean, like, I never give her a reason to not trust the whole process up to that point, you know what I mean? So it really paid off when it really matters, you know what I mean? So as I say, God is good, man, trust me. Turn on the computer, guys, I never know what possessed me. Me didn't want she talk to me and whatever, but she did give me attitude and, you know, the spirit lead me. Go back in the computer room, turn on the computer and boom, my girl just starts spill a bag of things. You know what I mean? And things pay off, you know what I mean?
Yep, here we are.
Enough years later, you see what I say?
Later.
Straight. So, yeah,
I'm
man.
glad I didn't give up on you though.
You couldn't give up.
Because, I was mad. I was really mad. I was like, you know what? I don't need this.
She never mad, guys. She never mad to give up.
Guys, I was mad. I was like, this is it. Like, when you go, don't even call me no more. Like, you know, delete my number. I'm done. But I'm so glad I didn't though, like seriously. I'm glad I didn't give up. No, for real. I'm glad I, you know,
straight.
I trusted you and followed my instinct.
It does, man. So guys, she made me relive a horror moment, you know what I mean? As I said, Joe, trust me, I don't like a story. But I know I don't enjoy it still, you know what I mean? And for all the men out there, as I say, do the right thing, you know what I mean? God have you. If you don't do the right thing, when the time comes for the right thing pay off, you not get the payout, you know what I mean? Straight. And the ladies out there, sometimes I understand, but if the actions don't really say cheat or lie, believe them, you know what I mean? Give them the benefit of the doubt, you understand me? I say because God love good things and it will play out, you know what I mean? It will play out, you see me? I say? Straight. Sometimes we have to do some things to make some things happen and looking back on it, it might not have been the right thing to do, but you know, sometimes we do what we have to do sometimes. You get what I say? Straight. But as long as I say God in control, you never sell yourself, you never broke no law, you know what I mean? You never commit no sin, and you know, God have no guys, you know what I mean? So I know I'm gonna love this. I know I'm gonna absolutely love this.
Leave us some feedbacks if you actually believe him or not.
Or
what would you have done in the situation if
Definitely.
you're in my position
Yeah.
or in his position.
Ladies,
you know?
tell me, what would I do if a husband come give a story like this? Or a boyfriend, fiance,
Yeah.
whatever it is. You know what I mean? And guys, more tell me if you be honest if you do something like that.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Because boy, I say, yo, it's crazy. But when I look at it, I say, yo, oh, I tell us I'm stay on Virgin Yard, but I couldn't make a call. Or at the airport, but I couldn't, you know what I mean? Things like that. So,
guys, he was pleading to me. It's like, babes, you think I would ruin and you and let
Definitely,
anything
man,
mash up
definitely.
this and whatever I mean. I think you were even crying too.
No,
like,
I'm not crying
I
no more.
think you were crying. I think he was crying, guys. Like, he was like, babes, come on now, this is me. And guys, he begged me.
yeah, because you don't know,
I
man,
don't believe that foolishness.
Man go hard, you know what I mean? Because we know, say, yo, remember say, must have fight man taking a man go a woman yard and all these things, and if you know say it not pay off, you know what I mean? Let me say, who else could it be? I got to intervene him straight and just make it happen. You see me? I say, so, yeah, I mean, she said crying, I don't know what I'm crying. But guys,
You did.
tell me what Uno would I do if I'm not telling a woman the truth in terms of, you know, staying at a woman's yard. And ladies, tell us what you guys would think if your husband, the husband where you have now, the boyfriend where you have now, your partner that you have now, knowing how they are, if they are giving you a story like that, would you have believed them? You see what I'm saying? Make sure you give that video a like.
Yeah, man, and share it out.
Yeah, share it out.
Yeah.
And thumbs up the video star. Thumbs it up, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And as always, Poppy Show love you know. Big up. Amazing support. You know what I mean? Amazing support.
And
All
check
our
out
members.
the merch them too on Teespring.
Yeah. Straight.
Merch them are going hard, and thank you for everyone who has been supporting the merch.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you to everyone that has been supporting the movement right here.
Yeah.
We appreciate love that 100.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And big up our members, Trending Boss Family,
Boss,
TR Show.
TR Show,
Big up on yourself. You know what I
and
mean?
Nicola.
And yes,
We have
Nicola
a new
Pitt.
member.
Big up yourself, Nicola.
Nicola.
You know what I mean? We love you straight. I want to give a special shout out to what's your name again? Donna Smith. Big up
Big
yourself,
up yourself, Donna.
You know, your show, Poppy Show, crazy love.
Yes,
So,
we appreciate that.
yeah, man, we appreciate it.
Appreciate
100%.
love.
100%. So, guys, this video was fun. We don't want to draw it out too much.
Yeah.
So, until next time, continue to support us. It's amazing. God is in control. Big up on yourself, alright?
Peace.